Okay guys, I want to show you a little trick. Painting inside of doors and stuff, every now and then you're going to get a run, and it's not a big deal. Get a lint-free chamois. You can buy them in a box, you can buy them at Walmart. They're cleaning pads, and just dab that off. Doesn't matter. This is the first coat. I put it on really heavy to try to get some of this to cover. I'm using a really, really terrible base coat here. I'll dab that off. That way I don't have to wait so long on my second coat, and it looks much better when it's done. It's just a little painting trick. It's not all in the gun. A lot of it's in the work you have to do. So I'm going to finish dabbing this off. I've got lots of dabbing to do. This is the first coat, and I put it on, like I say, super heavy. I was hoping to clear this evening. I don't know if that's even going to happen. And see, that's outside. I'm running positive pressure in my garage and just blowing everything outside. Okay, I'm going to finish dabbing this off, get the hood. I hadn't made a mess out of the hood, and then we'll see what it looks like after the next coat. Okay, second coat is finished. Was hoping not to have to put a third of this base coat, and I think the hood is okay. By the way, it's only shiny because it's still wet. So, let's check out some doors. Okay. Let's check out this door. We did a lot of daubing on this door, if you remember. Hey, look. It's really hard to tell. I'm holding the camera really close so you can see, so it's hard to paint around these hinges. I did rig me up a jig where I could move these two together. I can't move the other two. The spring's actually good in those ones. I'm missing a little bit of paint here, but I don't think it's going to be visible. So I'm probably going to run over these quick with a third coat. Now these ones are turning out okay. Actually, as you can see here, this is it's drying up pretty good. Bad paint prep. Bad paint prep. I'm gonna run over these with another coat. These look really thin. I actually dabbed this a little bit after the second coat. It's almost gone. So yeah, I'm gonna hit these with another coat. It's really hard to spray inside all this stuff. So one more coat on the tops of the fenders and the fronts of the fenders. Okay, before I show you this first coat of clear, I want to show you what I'm painting with. This is just a Finex, I think it's by Sharp. Not expensive gun. You know, I had to turn up the pressure a little bit to get it to spray this clear the way I wanted. I do have my regulator right at the gun. And here's the first coat. I put this on really heavy. Okay, over here, this is where we daubed our paint. Darn if I can see it. See that thing. Like I say, I had to put this on really heavy. I'll look through all these pieces. And then I'm gonna put another coat on it. And then I'm not gonna show you again because it's gonna look the same. I put this one on so heavy, the next coat's gonna be the same. Let's see, got a couple more pieces. I went ahead and painted the bolts and stuff that hold the fenders on. There's the hood and spring. The humidity in here is 85%. It's terrible. I think the temperature is 77. I am absolutely roasting in my paint suit. So that's where we're at. And I'm gonna throw another coat on it. Really, I could probably get by without a coat on this. I mean, this first coat really covered good. I really put it on heavy. It really looks good. May have to debate that one. There's where we are. And she is booger green, F8 green, whatever you want to call it. There it is.